Hey loves! So today we're going to do a look with the Honey palette. I know we just had another yellow look, but so many of you guys did want to see this and we're so excited about this palette that I decided to film a quick look for you guys. I'm just going to focus on the eyes on this tutorial. Just keep it kind of short and sweet. My tutorials are never short. My videos are never short. Well, let's get real. I ramble too much. So we are just going to play with this guy. I already have the rest of my face on. I'm wearing the Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation in F1. I'm currently filming a wear test between the Tarte Shape Tape and then the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer on the other eye. I'm doing a wear test today. So that video will probably be up for this one, so I'll try and remember to link it down below. Physicians Formula Mineral Correcting Powder and Translucent. To set that, Profusion Highlighting Contour 1 palette. I just mixed the two contour shades down here. That's what I'm bronzed with. Lumi Blush in Ravish from Shop Miss A AOA Studio. The AOA Powlighter in Astro on my cheeks for my highlight. Tried to do it a little softer today, but it's still pretty blinded. Still pretty blingin'. All right, so, and then my brows are just the NYX Brow Pencil, Micro Brow Pencil in Taupe. All right, let's get going on this tutorial. So we are just gonna play with this palette and see what we come up with. I'm hoping for maybe some sparkle, some glitter with that really pretty shade in the middle. If you guys are excited to see another yellow look, then you're in the right place. Just keep watching. Please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and more. All right, let's do this. Anyway, this is what the actual palette looks like. It is absolutely gorgeous. I think we're gonna start with this guy, Totally Buggin'. Ooh, I mean, not that I'm surprised. So I'm just buffing that into the crease from outer corner to inner corner, using it as my transition shade. I'm gonna go ahead and take that same shade on my lower lash line. I definitely want to try this shade right here. Buzzkill. I'm gonna take this, it's just one of the Anastasia brushes. I love these that come in any Anastasia palette. I'm just gonna use the fluffy side now. Okay. And again, I'm gonna take a tiny bit of that on the lower lash line, just kind of focusing it on this outer corner. I'm using a little bit of my Physicians Formula Mineral Correcting Powder and Translucent. This guy, any face powder will do, because there's not a super light shade in there. And I'm just gonna put that on the brow bone. So I think we're gonna take Sunburst, which is the kind of duochrome one right here. Not kind of, actual duochrome. Beautiful, beautiful shade. And I'm just gonna use my fingertip and pack that on the lid, just as the base before we go in with the glitter. Oh, that is a beautiful, beautiful shade, you guys. Oh my goodness. So pretty. Oh, wow. I almost want to just leave that. Girl needs some glitter. Who are we kidding? Okay, so we're just gonna use the Revolution glitter glue. Put a little bit on the back of my hand. I'm actually gonna use this little sponge tip. I honestly don't remember what this came in, but one side is pointy, one side is rounded. I find that these work really well for glitter glue. Getting some glitter glue on the back of that. I'm just gonna kind of tap it because I know a lot of glitter glues are going to take away whatever you just put underneath them, but I still feel like it's important to put a base. And I am gonna use my fingertip to start with for the glitter, which is Palooza, the center shade. Sparkly girl. I'm going to take the other side of the sponge tip and kind of clean that up a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna put on a wing. Okay, my Physicians Formula one is missing for a moment, but this one's gonna work better over glitter. Anyway, this is the Revolution Renaissance Flick Liner. I really love this one. She's just got a thicker tip, so it's a little more difficult to control. It's hard to get a smooth wing when there's glitter involved, you know? All right, I'm gonna take a little bit of a, I almost dropped my palette. I'm gonna take a little bit of a black liner just on the lower lash line. Just in this outer corner per usual. I just like to do this when I do a wing because I feel like it kind of encompasses the eye instead of, I don't know, I just don't like the way a wing with no bottom liner looks on me personally most days, especially with such a dramatic glittery look. I can't believe I'm going to show you these right now, but these are the lashes I'm going to put on. I've only worn them once. I wore them yesterday, and I want to wear them again. I know there's lash glue all up in there. This looks super not cute. Here, this one looks better than the other one. But these are the Jackie lashes from Shan AOA. They're my favorite. I just ordered a few more, so they're on the way. I cannot wait. These guys last for so long. Like, just clean them. Obviously, these I just wore them yesterday, so I'm not going to like fully clean them. Look what I just did! I'm gonna go try and fix this fiasco and pop on my lashes. I'll be back. I felt that. I felt it. Ugh! Why do what do? Alright, loves, so we are back. I have my lashes on. I am going to just put a little bit of something light in my inner corner. You guys know I'm obsessed with this Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Armor Gorgeous palette. This white is just like the most perfect inner corner highlight. I'm actually gonna mix it. I'm gonna mix the, what is it, VIP and Guilt Trip. These two, a little of this, a little of this, and a little of this. Yes, girl. I need an inner corner highlight always. I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild. Sorry, I'm obsessed. Wet n Wild Lay Down the Mauves lip liner, Chauffeur from Revolution, and then I may put a little bit of chocolate chip cookie dough on. I don't know if I want to do glossy yet. I don't know. I guess we'll see. I'm covered in that glitter. Ooh, the glitter is everywhere. There's a little bit of fallout, but with most glitters, there's going to be. I just dropped this. Oh, but she survived. She's just a little messy right now. I'm gonna lighten it just a little bit with concealer because I like to do that only because I am so fair. Sorry that it's weird. Alright, loves, I think that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this little honey tutorial. It was fun. I definitely was going to do just a very basic look. I've been stuck in kind of a very neutral look. If you guys didn't see my basic glam tutorial from a couple weeks ago, that is the look that I seriously go to on the daily. So I was just going to do that look, but I was like, you know what? You guys wanted another yellow look. So I wanted to give you loves what you wanted. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed tutorials, because I know you probably hear every single beauty YouTuber saying this, but people always ask for tutorials, but they're definitely the least viewed videos on my channel. Fashion's always number one. My hauls are always like higher than that. Any of my other beauty videos are usually higher, but tutorials are always the least viewed, and I don't plan to stop them completely at all, but I do want to know that you guys really do still want them and that you're enjoying them. So again, please give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it and you want more tutorials. Share it if you could, because that'll get the video out there, and that would just be, I would appreciate it. I don't know. I'm rambling. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to all of you that actually do sit here and watch my tutorials. Leave a little bee emoji if you watch the whole thing and you love makeup tutorials. Okay? Okay? Okay. All right. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Ooh, one wing is definitely bigger than the other, girl. Get it together. Oh, my physician's formula. You guys here, I was so excited. I just got to look at the back of my hair. It's terrible. Be a shortcake tutorial if I didn't. Tutorial? What? All right, love. So I believe that is everything. I got I feel like I have to like get the out because I can't speak.